ARISTO sliding doors installation. Install the top track in a way that its front is in one line with the front edge of the wardrobe sidewalls. Attach the bottom track to the floor with double-sided tape or a similar method. Align the bottom track 18 mm away from the edge of the wardrobe sidewalls with the asymmetrical profiles. Insert the door into the top track. Insert the bottom rollers into the groove of the bottom track by lifting them a little. To adjust the door's angle, loosen or tighten the adjustment screw of the bottom roller. Test the door. It should close tightly to the side walls of the wardrobe, slide smoothly and quietly in the tracks.